Yo, Seemlytuber back at it again with another video, and in this video we're gonna be talking about Blizzard. For once, I haven't talked a whole lot about Blizzard. I haven't talked about their company or their games or anything recently. Well, I played the beta for Vanguard and stuff. I wasn't too interested. I do want to give it a chance, but I definitely don't really want to spend that entire amount on it. This year, I'd rather not really even spend a whole lot of money on Vanguard. But speaking more to some other games that they made, Overwatch 2 as well as Diablo 4 are delayed into 2023. This doesn't spell well for Blizzard overall, especially since your yearly game is losing its traction, it's losing its popularity out there in the world. And then you don't have any games that of notice that are coming out next year besides another Call of Duty. Yes, Call of Duty is a moneymaker, but you're spending another production year on two more of these games, one of them which should have already been out because it's not really a major overhaul of the previous one, Overwatch 2. Diablo 4 should also have been coming out fairly soon as well, because that game's been in development for a while as well. It goes to show that the protests and stuff kind of did hit them hard. All the controversy and the quitting of leadership and stuff because of the way things were going in Blizzard and how their past trends and things of everything they were doing to their employees and stuff has taken a toll on them, and it might be an irreversible toll that they're gonna have to pay for with their coming games being delayed and stuff, as well as among other things. It sucks to say, but like we might not get that new Overwatch 2 anytime soon. We might not get Diablo 4, which I've been looking forward to. I've been looking forward to Diablo 4, but at least I have the one that just released this year to hold me over, because playing a classic is nice, but it's still not as pristine as the new Diablos. Like it's still not as pristine. I like the newer look and everything, but I can definitely play it to hold me over in the meantime. But it just goes to show things have taken a toll on them, and the customers that actually like these other games other than Call of Duty are gonna have to pay the price, because we all know that we are not going to they're not going to stop making Call of Duty. That is the only game that will continuously keep coming out every year, and it will get worse and worse over time. And it sucks. It really sucks. It really does. And that's no one's fault but us as the consumer, because we allow Call of Duty to get to the point that it is. So we're not going to get a break from that game until it literally starts making a loss in sales. And I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. So I wouldn't look forward to that happening. I wouldn't look forward to that changing, because that's their moneymaker. That's keeping Blizzard afloat right now. Honestly, is really keeping Blizzard afloat. We gotta do better. We're not gonna get anything that we really want anytime soon from Blizzard. We're just gonna get the things that they expect us to see coming. We're not gonna get anything that's better and more improved than what we've already had, and that's a sad sight, honestly, to see, because I expect more from Blizzard. I expect bigger and better things. But I guess that's all I really got to talk about on this topic. I got some more game videos coming out. There's a lot of stuff going on, so I've just been trying to catch up to all the news and stuff, but I will get caught up. I will have you guys that content out. I'm back and I'm going at it full force again. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in another. Seemlytuber out. Peace.